Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn reporting with multiple table to creating views. How simple it is, let's see. And go to the database, expand here. Under the views, you just right click, go for new view. There is an option called new view. So here, just simply you just go to the database, views, go to new view. So here see the items, orders, persons, products, student, these are the informations are available. So how I can choose like products and items I am going to choosing now. So add this table and items, add this table. So this way you can add multiple tables also. This way you can add multiple tables also. Once you are adding, let's see here, two tables are added in this pane. Now which column you want to see in the output, based on the column you can select it. See the product ID is coming here, item ID and quantity, price. So like a product name also if you wish to see, yes, see how the query is generated here automatically. How the query is automatically it is generating. Let's see which column you want to create, which column you want to enable, which column you don't want to remove. Yes, you can do it. Based on the selection, your query is going to be automatically modified here. This way, if you are taking and if you are saving this, yes, maybe you can save this as products underscore view. So save this. So this is the one view which is saved with the name of products view. So reload it. See products view. If you press like a select star from products underscore view, you will get this data result set output. See, if I take a copy and go to new query window and paste and execute. So there is a no data matching here. If the matching is there, definitely you will get the data. Inner joins how we prepared. Similarly, you can prepare like inner join, left join, all the joins you can set automatically. SQL Management Studio write a code behalf of you with the queries. How beauty the joins like views can create. Try with these options, reporting with the multiple tables, you will get a great experience. I would suggest you try to prepare adventure works. There you can prepare multiple views, and also we have a given like a get all categories. These are the views you can check with the design view. You can check and see how the tables are getting here and how the columns are mapped using inner joins, unions and all. You will see a great view of experience to preparing this particular views. Alright, I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.